Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to animate your picture on the Motionleap application, meaning that you can make certain parts on your picture move. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should click on the animate button down below, which is the second option. Then you should tap on the select button and you should brush over the those areas that you would like to animate, for example, the sky. So just simply brush over it. After that, you can also change the direction of the animation on this scale. And if you are ready to check out how it looks like, tap on this play button in the right side of the screen, and as you can see here, it moves. You can also customize the direction of the animation by the help of this slide. You can see how it changes, so feel free to customize it according to your preferences. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.